The Babri Masjid Ram Janmabhoomi disputes has been the source of religious and political conflict down the years. It has been 25 years since Babri Masjid in Ayodhya was demolished, but the first case regarding the structure was filed way back in 1885. 132 years and multiple lawsuits later, the issue still remains unresolved. The main question that fuels the Ayodhya controversy is whether the Babri Masjid was really constructed on the remains of an even more ancient Hindu temple. According to legend, Mir Baqi, a general of Mughal king Babur, destroyed a Ram temple and built the Babri Masjid in 1528. In 1853, the first instances of religious violence was noted at the site. In 1859, the British ordered that the inner portion of the courtyard be fenced for Muslims, while Hindus could use the outer area. In 1885, Mahant Raghubar Das wanted to construct a temple for Lord Ram on the land next to the mosque, but the Faizabad Deputy Commissioner did not allow this. Das filed a suit asking permission to build a Ram temple in the inner courtyard of the mosque. In 1949, idols of Ram Lala or the infant Ram appeared under the central dome of the mosque. While Muslims protested, multiple groups filed cases to reclaim the site as their own religious ground. It was termed as a disputed site by the government and locked up. In 1984, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad led a committee to build a temple. Bharatiya Janata Party leader Lal Krishna Advani headed the campaign. In 1986, the district judge ordered the gates to be unlocked to allow Hindus to worship in the structure. In protest against the directive, the Babri Mosque Action Committee came up. In September 1990, Advani led a Rath Yatra but was arrested before he could reach the city. Kar Sevaks attempted to damage the mosque that caused tussles between them and the paramilitary forces. The BJP came into power in Uttar Pradesh in 1991, where Ayodhya and the Babri Masjid are located. On December 6, 1992, a mob broke the Babri Masjid, leading to massive inter-communal riots in which over 2,000 people were reportedly killed.
Dispute started in the year 1949 when certain people put Ram ideals in the temple. However, that was taken. However, subsequently, an order was passed under Section 145 CRPC, and the place was taken over by the government. In the year 1955, Allahabad High Court passed an order saying that nobody can interfere in the right of the Hindu community to offer prayer in the temple or the mosque where the idols of Ram were existing.
2 FIRs were filed after the inter-communal riots, the first regarding the actual demolition of the mosque by the Kar Sevaks and the second against BJP leaders including L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi and others. In 1993, the state government took over 67 acres of land around the disputed area and asks the Supreme Court to place its opinion on whether the mosque was built in the early 1500s in a place where a Hindu temple existed before. Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV.